Today you are about to see my very first vlog. So I thought I would take you around this week and show you what I'm up to. Right now I just finished filming. I'm holding my camera and tripod here so you won't see that. But here is my super fancy setup. So my bed is right behind me. This is kind of what you see in my videos. And then right here, we've got a lovely nightstand with all my notes. And then we have, this is my chair. I got this little stand right here, a mirror, my window, a laundry basket with a tabletop on it, super fancy DIY light box. So it is a light in here and it is an LED, whatever one doesn't get hot. This has been on for hours and it's not hot at all. So I wrapped that all around it. Let me sit down and show you. This is natural light without. Not bad. My phone does a pretty good job of color correcting. And here's with. A little bit warmer. It shows you the glow to my face a little bit. And if I put my hand up here, I can tilt the light. Go away from myself. So what I really like about this is it brightens up my eyes. I think without it, my eyes look a little bit dead if the sun's not out. Right now it's not very sunny out. It has been rainy all day. Hopefully this isn't too shaky because I'm holding it with my tripod, but I don't have one of those like things that makes it balance. What are those things called? Yes, my bedroom walls need a second coat of paint. I mentioned that in one of my videos. You can kind of see. So the walls used to be a dark green. So this up here is with 2 coats already. This is 3. And the very bottom where it looks good, where I can reach, is 4 coats. So I just need a ladder so that I can finish it by myself because I can't have a friend come help or bring me a ladder due to the world right now. And then this line that you see in my videos is a piece of tape. I think I'm gonna put a shelf up there, like a picture ledge shelf, but I wanted to like live with like the length and the height for a little bit to see how I feel about it. Not sure yet. Okay, I am going to change, spruce up my makeup a little bit, and I'm gonna film a 3rd video today. Hold. Taking a thumbnail is so hard and embarrassing. Anyways, done with that. Now I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made. I need to hurry. All right, let's go. Okay, that's everything I hauled. Now I need to clean up the filming area. Okay, I picked up my hair because it is raining outside, and that means it's gonna be hot and humid and muggy. Do you guys use that word? Is that a word that we only use out here in Ohio? Anyways, so now I am ready. I am going to go to the store and I'm going to take you along with me. I don't know if I'll talk much, again, with the mask on, but let's go see what I find. back. This works? Okay. I got tongs. Little blueberry muffin packs. Staple. These bad boys, little cupcake papers for the muffins. A cake cutter thing, or whatever this thing's called. Cake server, little thing, because I just bought my boyfriend that ice cream cake and we have nothing like that. I don't have any like little soft silicone spatulas, so I got 2 of these. And a, what do you call it? Citrus squeezer. As well as, this is all from the Dollar Tree, by the way. This little desk lamp, LED desk lamp with a flexible neck. But I thought it would be good for maybe filming, we'll see. Minus the cake, which is in the freezer. Don't look at my disgusting cabinets. And I also got McDonald's because I haven't eaten all day. I've just been working. So oh, by the way, my life is not like this all the time. This is a day off, okay? And so I am going to wash my hands and eat, and then put these dishes in the dishwasher. And now I am going to look at all the footage that I took today and organize it, and maybe start a rough cut edit of a video. Also, here's a pile of laundry on my bed that I need to fold.
Next level. Next level.
Hey guys, so I know that I kind of left you off, and that was a couple days ago, but I need to close out this vlog because I have so much random footage, and this is my first vlog, so I have not figured out the system yet. But I just got special package. I wanted to open it up with you guys. Okay, so one issue with filming YouTube videos is, you know, I think people think about like, what am I gonna film on? Where am I gonna film? How will I edit videos? But I have all of those things already because I own my own condo, so I can film anywhere that I want to, really. And I have an iPhone 11, which, if you didn't know, can film 1080p and 4K if you wanted to. So that's pretty set. And I also already own Adobe's entire creative suite, so I have Premiere or iMovie if I wanted to. But the thing about my iPhone, or the thing about my computer, or the thing about my life in general, is that I am like an electronic hoarder of sorts. So I've kept like every design I've ever made, every logo I've ever made, anything I've ever made. So my computer is completely full, my phone is completely full, and when I bought my phone, I only got the look. Anyway, it doesn't matter, I got a new phone. That's what I'm getting at. I got the iPhone 11 exact same size, so I didn't have to buy any new cases or anything like that, but I got the 256 gigabytes, so that way I can film an entire video without stopping and offloading and having issues, hopefully. So let's open this bad boy and just look at him. Why is this so satisfying? Oh, oh, oh. Oh goodness. Yay! Wow. Here she is. I just got the black one because it will go with the cases that I use right now. Let me show you. Here's the case that I currently use on my phone, and I have a pop socket on it. I got both of these from Target, but just the black one looks the best in there. So yay. I'm not gonna take this off yet until I have a thing ready to put on there. But yeah, I just wanted to open this up with you guys, have a little rant apparently. But I'm gonna close out this vlog. Hopefully whatever footage I got something together that's interesting in some way, shape, or form. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like vlogs in general. Hopefully in the future they'll get better. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.